This is the Fundamentals 1-1 Answers video, and before you view this video, I would like you to honestly try to recreate that object using the commands that you have previously learned, using the draw commands and the modify commands. After trying your best to recreate that object, you can view this video and it will give you information on how I would have created that object. So first we're going to start with our template that we're all familiar with. Open up our title block template, A size. Come to my model space tab, start my line command, pick a point, drag in this direction, turn on ortho, and the distance is 4.3. Enter. Zoom out with my roller ball, pan over with my roller ball. 2.8. Enter. 1.93. Enter. Enter again to finish the command. I'm going to start my line command again by hitting enter, which repeats the previous command. As I float over this endpoint, because my object snaps are on, I can start from this point, left click, 1.44, enter, and then I can just come over here to this endpoint here with object snaps, left click, and that finishes my object. Once again, because it's an object, it should be on the object layer. Hit escape to drop that selection set. I'm going to now use offset, a distance of 1, to offset this line over, this line down. Enter to finish the command. The circle comes from this intersection. Drag away. I need a diameter of 1.1. Now why did it draw it on the 0 layer? Because that was the current layer. I had not made that layer current. See, it goes back to the 0 layer. Click on that object to make it current for any more features of this object. There aren't any, so I need to now make sure I can see it at a scale of 1:1 in my viewport. Left click on layout 1. Double left click inside, that opens my viewport. Double click my roller ball, which will zoom up that object. Click on the viewport scale, 1:1. Hold down the pan, or hold down the roller ball to execute the pan command. Click on this model to close the viewport. Change this to caps lock on, FUN 1-1. Enter to finish the command, and I can add or change any of the additional text. Click on the print icon. Go ahead and find my printer. If I was just doing a DWG to a PDF, I can click that. Find the paper that I want, extents, center the plot, 1:1. Monochrome. I can hit OK and it would print it, or click preview and look at it before it prints, and that's how I would finish this first assignment, Fundamental 1-1.